Hello.
Hi there. Shit. Okay, I'm trying that again.
You're okay.
CRAFTULA.
Hey.
Hi.
Thank you for joining us.
Yes.
We're just a couple of gals wanting to enjoy the spooky season
A little early.
and safely. So we want to bring you on this journey with us.
Come with us. Let's get to know each other.
And let's get craft-a-lackin'.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
What is CRAFTULA? This is going to be a 6-week process.
Yeah, some
Pretty
6
much.
episodes. Like,
A few 6 episodes.
you're gonna have a golden nugget every week.
Yeah, a little golden nugget from us. We're going to do some DIYs.
DR-wise.
DIYs. Yes, we're gonna be decorating our way through my house, space by space, giving you cool DIYs you could try at home, or maybe you just want to watch us goof off and laugh about it.
Yeah, grab a bottle of wine and you
Either
know.
way,
Come
you
on
should
over.
come
We
on
got room.
room to spare.
We won't eat your bones.
Maybe we will. So week 1, you're here with us. What are we gonna do? We're obviously gonna start at the front porch because that's the first thing you see when you come to my house.
Yes, we're working with this very large, very pink door.
Yes.
We love it.
So I think the overall theme we're gonna carry throughout the house is
Feminine, witchy, glamorous.
and a little spooky.
Yeah, there is a man who lives here, so we don't want to make it too
Yes.
feminine, so we're gonna make it
I mean, he let me paint my door pink, but let's not get carried away.
exactly. We're gonna keep it nice and dark and
Yes.
not ombre, mysterious, ominous. That's
Ominous
ominous and creep-tastic.
and ghoulish. Let's get into it.
Woo.
Our first craft for the front porch area is going to be the wreath, of course. So I got this one at Michael's. It's just a simple twig wreath. I think it was less than $10 actually.
Yeah.
And since my door is pink, we decided to paint it half and half in white and gold with some spray paint from Home Depot, which, you know, came out pretty good.
Yes, and then we went to the Dollar Tree, which I cannot believe Tasha has never been to the Dollar Tree
My
before.
life is forever changed.
Yes, she really was like, I had to convince her like by item 20 that yes, everything is $1 there. So we got these cute little bat clippies. Not gonna lie, they can come off, but that's all right. You can pop them right back in or glue them if you need them more sturdy.
And they're glittery, which I love.
Oh my god, love the glam. So, and then we also got this guy who used to be bone color and we spray painted him.
And then to top it off, the inspo actually for this wreath came from one we saw on Pinterest that was all twigs and then it just had a bunch of snakes on it. I think it was painted all black.
Right.
So we kind of pulled from that, and so we got these snakes on Amazon.
Like
Just a simple pack of 12 little toy snakes, and I painted them black so that they really have a contrast against this. And we're just gonna glue everything on here and pop it on the door. See how it looks. Yep.
So we used the big branches that were kind of winding around as a good base to glue the snakes onto and kind of give us a little backbone. As for the bat, we had a little trouble gluing the body directly onto the wreath, so to help secure it, we ran a clear string through and tied it around so he couldn't get away.
So we're making a doormat.
That's the next DIY for the front porch.
Yes.
Because you know that all the ones out there are basic, and
We're different.
so we're gonna do this.
We got it from Target for $10. We were about to get it for $19 on Amazon.
We were just informed it's because of college season, so thank you, all you higher educated students,
Yeah, that's
for
August.
helping us with this. And we're gonna use, I think, simple acrylic paint will do fine. I pretty much have, I already had all the colors that we've been using in the decor. So we're gonna hit this with a fun little witchy phrase. And I'm gonna do something wicked this way comes.
And that's also because you are
in the entryway, so it kind of made sense with the whole thing. So we're gonna get into it, get our paint on.
Get our paint on!
Yeah. Okay, so I think in my logical mind, I'm going to write out my phrase first in this paint marker, which is white. I don't think it's gonna be very dark, and then go over it with a brush as a guide. We'll see how that turns out. So with this project, I really recommend outlining it first. That really helped me stay in line, and in white it was perfect because it was easy to cover. However, you're not going to be able to swipe your paintbrush, so what worked for me was kind of dabbing it in a stippling type motion. This is going to be a little like a Monet. It's going to be a hot mess from really close, but it's going to look awesome from far, so just go with it and do not lose faith.
Pumpkins!
So this is the last craft.
For the front porch.
Yay! And then it's gonna be beautiful. So pretty much we got inspo for this idea of like a modern pumpkin vibe from Martha Stewart. Hey Martha, what up girl? We love you. So we're gonna kind of replicate that vibe. So the colors are gonna be white, gold, and black.
I feel like I'm not saying anything.
White, gold, and gold. Kristen, you wanna jump in?
At any time. So these we got at Michael's. Did you say that already?
No, I didn't.
Oh, okay.
See, you have stuff to say.
Okay. We got these at Michael's. I think they're made out of some type of foam-ish thing, so I wouldn't put anything like super hot near them. But other than that,
Well, this one was actually white, just like this. He spray painted this gold.
and you know, these are gonna be reusable because they're like simple colors. And you can mess around with them. You can even just leave these out for fall, whatever the case may be. Okay.
So the plan is to put paint on the tops of these and kind of have it dripping down. We're trying to figure out how we're gonna do that because spray paint doesn't really drip on its own. So I think what we're gonna do is fake it.
Yeah, I think we should thin out some acrylic paint. Let it drip a little bit just to get some natural, like where it's going, and then from there kind of draw in the rest of the drips.
We could try that. We could definitely try that.
You know, if anything, improvisation.
Worst case scenario, fake it till you make it. That's better. Less
Right.
giant chode.
Right.
Which is a contradiction. Sorry. What if we have families watching? It's our first time.
First episode, we're going into chodes. So we tried to recreate Martha's paint drip pumpkins. Came through dripping, not. It was super hard, so we regrouped, came back, and recreated it with spray paint cans. Woo, for the win.
Maybe the lesson here is that we don't have to be Martha, even though we want to be like Martha.
We are our own Martha.
Yeah, we have to honor the Martha within you. And maybe her drips are not perfect. I said it.
The Martha in me acknowledges the Martha in you. Yes, and very simple stuff, but it's looking glamorous and ominous as well.
Which is what we wanted.
We're gonna chat a little bit how we know each other, if you guys are interested.
I mean, if you stuck around this long watching us work, you might as well know a little bit more about us. So, Kristen, you want to start?
Sure. So, as she said, my name is Kristen. I have known Tasha now for like 20 years at least. In my greatest reality, it would be Halloween every other month with some sporadic other holidays. I've always loved theatrics. I've loved like the backstage and producing stuff. So COVID really taught me that life is short, and I kind of wanted to enjoy it while I'm here because I've planned like 3 vacations and had to cancel them all anyway. So
make your surroundings your vacation.
Exactly. And my good friend Tasha here has always done some DIY tutorials already. So I was like, let me hop on this bandwagon for my favorite holiday.
Yeah, so yeah, she said we've known each other for eons via our best friends. I think we realized we both loved Halloween last year when we decided to throw a party and everyone else was like not in on the decorating part, but her and I.
You know who you are. You know who you are.
Her and I got really enthusiastic about the decorating, so I had been preoccupying my COVID with lots of DIYs, as most people have been. And she just hit me up. She's like, why don't we film a couple of DIYs for Halloween?
Yes.
And here we are with the 6-part episodes.
I know. I originally wanted to do
galore.
Yeah, like I wanted to do like 13 crafts of Halloween, but like, you know, sometimes you
exploded.
You gotta dial it back a little bit, and that's okay because what we've learned is witches ain't perfect.
Witches ain't perfect. We didn't dial it back. We dialed it up.
That's true.
But we couldn't be happier because our creative souls are being fed, and hopefully yours are too.
Nurture that. You gotta nurture the creativity.
Please do. We really hope you enjoyed this video. If you stuck with us till now, chances are you did, and hopefully we entertained you. We will be posting a new one next Monday, and this 6-part series, each installment is going to be posted for the next 6 Mondays, ending on the week of Halloween. So definitely subscribe, right?
Yes, subscribe, like, follow, all of it.
That's what everyone says. So subscribe, like, and follow.
Or just send positive vibes to us.
Positive vibes, positive comments. We're new to this. This is our first time, guys, so be gentle.
I know.
Be gentle. Okay, with that,
we're gonna go.
Cheers, witches.
But I can still take it if you're rough.
We're not gonna put that in.
What? They gotta know who they do
That's
it
rated
with.
R.
Really? Don't punish me for my sexuality!